Good day, everyone. Today, I will be reporting motivation. Productivity has always been a serious concern of the management of firms. If it improves, it means greater chances for the company to grow and be more stable. One reason why the Philippine economy cannot move steadily forward is our record of low productivity for so many years. Higher productivity, however, is not a result of chance. It happens because of harder, more efficient, and more intelligent work made by the employees. To be willing partners, however, the requirement is for them to be properly motivated. An example is the management of construction firm wanting its employees to finish projects on time with the quality required at the least cost. So, to achieve this, various methods of motivation may be applied. So, what is motivation? So, motivation refers to the process of activating behavior, sustaining it, and directing it toward a particular goal. So, motivating refers to the act of giving employees reasons or incentives to work to achieve organizational objectives. So, motivation is the process that encourages a person to start an action, continue doing it, and focus it towards a specific goal. So, it it is what drives people to work, study, or perform tasks with effort and determination. So, in the workplace, motivating means giving employees reasons, encouragement, or rewards so they will work hard and help the organization achieve its goals. These reasons maybe include recognition, incentives, um, personal growth, or job satisfaction. Next is the factors contributing to motivation. So there are certain factors influencing a person's desire to do his job well. So they are the following. First is willingness to job. People who like what they are doing are highly motivated to produce the expected output. So um willingness to do a job is people who enjoy or like what they are doing tend to be more motivated. When employees are interested in their work, they are more enthusiastic and productive, and they strive to produce better results. Next is self-confidence in carrying out a task. So when employees feel that they have the required skill and training to perform a task, the more motivated become. So when the employees believe they have the necessary skills, knowledge, and training, they feel confident in performing their tasks. So this confidence increases motivation because they are not afraid of failure, and um, they are more willing to do they are more willing to take responsibility. Next is need satisfaction. So people will do their jobs well if they feel that by doing so their needs will be satisfied. So people are motivated when they feel their workplace satisfies their needs, such as financial security, um, recognition, personal growth, or a sense of achievement. So when employees see that good performance leads to meeting the needs, they are encouraged to work harder and perform better. So that's all. Thank you.